Welcome to me trying to document kind of every day of my trip to Senegal. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna be recording everything I can. I'll still be filming normal videos, but I wanna get at least 10 minutes of footage every day or every other day, you know, so that I can try and compile this and like have it as one video at the end of the trip. And yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Today we're not doing anything much. Today we're just gonna go downstairs. My mom wanted to do something, I don't know exactly what, but we'll go and I'll take you guys with me and you guys will see like the streets. And when I say that this is a CBD, but it's not like Joburg CBD, you'll see what I mean. Like it's as, no, I wouldn't even say it's as chaotic. Like I don't even know what to say. You guys will see it. We just came back from our walk, and guys, I don't think I've ever like walked into a busy street and taken a video, like, cause wow, you just look, you look like such a tourist, guys. I'm already a tourist now. When you hold a camera and you're like, and I can imagine the people looking at me, like I would look at me like, bro, what are you doing? I didn't feel comfortable taking a lot of videos because there's a lot of people passing, two, like it's literally just busy and people are always trying to sell you things. Like everywhere you go, people are trying to sell you things. It's the 11th today and we're just going for, sliding is bad, we're going for lunch now.
Merci. Mama, vamos? We went to the restaurant, right? That was somewhere else. Now we're at a hotel closer to the house actually, and it's so beautiful. You don't understand. I need to live by the beach. I don't care where, there will just be water. If I can have the whole ocean, like, no, wow. We had breakfast at the first restaurant and then my dad was like, okay, let's go have ice cream here, which is what the whole like conversation was about in the previous, at some point they had that conversation, and I actually didn't get it on camera, and then I told them to do it again and they did it, so shout out to them.
okay, so today's what, Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Is it? It is, yeah, today's Tuesday. I'm not going anywhere. I just woke up. You can see my bed is, yeah, and my face is still puffy. I wake up like a child, but anyway, and I look like a child too because of my hair. But today's gonna be a hair day. I'm not going anywhere. I don't plan on doing anything. I'm just gonna do my hair. Not that it takes the whole day, but yeah, for the fact that I'm doing my hair, I'm not gonna go anywhere. And yeah, I actually basically only switched on the camera so I can show you guys a bottle that I got from Discam. It's a spray bottle. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I'm sure you guys have seen these bottles on like Instagram videos, hair videos, and like just general hair videos. This is the spray bottle, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen my story showing you the spray bottle. So this is okay. That's what it does. I don't know if you can see the water, but that's, I hope you can see it, because if you don't, then this looks very stupid. But yeah, that's basically what the spray bottle does. Like it sprays water, but it doesn't spray water at you. Like, I got it for 35 rands. I got it at Discam Eastgate, and by the hair section they have like a basket, not a basket, they have like a thing with a whole lot of bottles, so you just have to look. But yeah, I got it at Discam. I'm sure any other Discam has, just go to the hair section and you should find it. If not, just ask someone. Sometimes you really just need to spray your hair a little bit, you know. I used to go to the tap and like literally go get water like this and throw it on my hair, and it's too much water, you know, it's too much water. Sometimes you just need a little spray, which is what this does. So yeah, go get yourself one of those, one of them. It's too early. So today is, okay, first of all, man, just let's leave my hair, because I didn't know what to do with it. Okay, I didn't know what to do with it, and I didn't feel like braiding it or anything, so I just put it up, and I'm gonna leave it like that because I don't have the energy to actually deal with my hair. I feel like I don't know, I look like a different person. Do I look like a different person? I feel like I look like a different person. But anyway, today I'm filming my trying Senegalese snacks video, and it's not a lot, shame. It's not a lot, because honestly, I'm not trying to get shouted at for buying snacks that I'm not going to finish. So that's what I'm shooting today, and I'm probably gonna post that sometime next week. So it's basically the end of the first week. In the beginning of the vlog, I said that I would like film the whole month, right, and then post it once, but I decided to change that, and now instead of posting once at the end of my trip or whatever, I'm gonna be posting every week. So I'll be posting a week worth of footage every week. So I'll continue vlogging. I'll continue trying to vlog every single day, and then I'll post it as, you know, as per the week or whatever. I think you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is week 1 of staying in Senegal. I didn't meet my goal of ordering food at a restaurant. So that's it for the first week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try to like leave the house more so that I can show you guys you know, everything that, so that I can show you guys everything that I see or everything that I just come across. Don't forget to subscribe. We made it to 800. We're on the road to 900 now. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to anyone who's about to subscribe. I hope the button is here, because wow. But anyway, thank you to anyone who's about to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.